Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, today's video is an exciting one. As you may know, Dyson have brought out the new airwrap, and that is what I'm going to show you today with the new attachments and everything like that, and the new design. So as you can see, it's got the navy box, which I really like. It's the travel case and it doesn't have the magnetic closure anymore. It literally just pulls straight off like that, which is a lot easier, I found. And then this is what you get inside. So the thing that stuck out to me is that obviously you only get one of each size of the barrels, and now you just twist them at the top to change the direction of the airflow rather than having to keep switching the barrels out, which is really handy. I love this new colourway as well with the kind of coppery gold at the top. It's so lovely. And then you still get the two brush attachments, so I think it's the soft smoothing brush and then the firm smoothing brush. I always like using the firm one, which I think is this one without the coloured ends. And then you still get your round brush attachment as well, which is the same. And then the hairdryer attachment is what is probably the most different. So this side is where the air just comes out like normal, and then this side is the new smoothing attachment, which I'm so excited to try because I think this is going to be so good for my hair. The problem I found with the other airwrap is that it did still leave my flyaways, so I was having to use a lot of product to try and like smooth it down and stuff. But this one, I think you just use it like that and it smooths down any flyaways and just gives you more of a smooth finish on the top of the hair. So yeah, I'm really excited to try that out and show you. So as you can see, I've just washed my hair. I've just used my Colour Wow Dream Coat, which I use every other wash. So you just section out your hair and just spray it all through. It helps again to smooth flyaways, keep your hair nice and smooth, and it just makes my hair really soft as well, which I really like. Yeah, and then all I'm going to use after I've done my hair is my Olaplex products, the Bonding Oil number 7 and the Bond Smoother number 6 as well, just to keep it nice and tamed and smooth. So let's go in with the airwrap. This is my first time using the new one, so it's kind of an unboxing as well. So my hair's kind of been air drying for a little bit, so it shouldn't need too much drying, but I am going to dry it just a little bit more just to try the new hairdryer out. See if it's just as powerful, because obviously it's a much smaller, or it seems like it, a much smaller vent for the air to come out. So I'm going to have it on the medium heat and the full fan. So with the hairdryer, I would definitely say that it does feel just as powerful as the other previous attachment on the old airwrap, and it seems to like spread the air just as much as well, even though it's a smaller vent, so that's good. I think I'm gonna try switching to the smoothing brush just to give it a bit of a smoother finish, and then I'm gonna try the new flyaway attachment after that. So I'm just gonna put the fan down to the medium heat and then the firm smoothing brush. And just quickly, that's the difference with using the smoothing brush. So on this side you can see it is a lot smoother. It's still a little bit frizzy because my hair is naturally, but yeah, you can definitely see the difference that it makes. Okay, so I'm going to put my Olaplex products in now. I just mix them together, so I put a tiny bit of the Bond Smoother and then about 10 drops of the oil. Okay, so let's go in and try this new attachment, which I'm super excited to do. So you just twist it round from the top here. Wow, I'm so impressed with that. I hope you can see the difference if I go against the white that has made. You can really see how it smoothed the top of the hair out, which is always a massive problem for me with my frizzy hair. So yeah, that is going to be a game changer, I can tell. Okay, so now that that top section is all smoothed down, I'm going to use the curl attachments on the bottom and then style my bangs as well. I'm going to use the smaller sized barrel just because I feel like those curls hold a lot longer for me. Okay, so that is the bottom layer done on this side. One thing I've noticed straight away is that the airflow is a lot stronger on this one, so it's actually wrapping up a lot more of my hair and it's not falling off a bit like on the old one did. So I actually way prefer how this is curling my hair. You can see the curls look really good. I just leave them how they set for now because obviously they do drop. So I'm just going to flip it to the other side, finish this one. I'm just going to curl all my hair now and then jump back on, and I will show you then how I style my bangs and the finished look and my final thoughts as well. So I'll be back in a second. And that is one side kind of done, so I just kind of brush it under and then to the side as well. So just to finish off my bangs, I've just added back on the thicker barrel, and I'm just going to kind of curl the bottoms under, and that will just give them that real swooped back effect, which I love with the curls, and that's actually worked so well. So I'm just going to do that on the other side as well. And then it's just a case of kind of brushing it through your fingers, making sure you're happy with it all. And obviously it does slightly drop throughout the day, but to be honest, these curls tend to hold super well for me throughout the day. So yeah, I don't use any hairspray or anything like that. I don't find I need to. So yeah, overall my thoughts on the new Dyson is it is amazing. I think they are going to sell the new attachment separately, so if you do have the old one, I'd hold out and definitely invest in the flyaway smoother attachment. And the new curl barrels are super handy, how you don't have to keep swapping it out. 100% if you can get your hands on it, I would say do, and the new attachments as well, keep an eye out for those. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!